Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Is everything okay? Hope you are fit and fine. Beloved friend, today I am going to practice about mother. We know mother is our great niyamat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At first, I would love to ask you a question. What is the name of our first institution? We can reply this question. Family is our first institution. As well as, I would love to ask you next question. Who is the first teacher of ourselves? Mother is our first teacher. As well as I can ask you another question. Who is the best guide and the last hope in the world? We can say mother is the best guide and the last hope in the world. Then I can say a mother can be educated or uneducated, it doesn't matter, but she is the best guide and the last hope in the world. So we should obey our parents and we should looks after our parents. Then Allah will happy and we will get happier and healthier life. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.